Good morning everyone, welcome to the course of Innovation Systems. My name is Laura Heinonen, I'm a researcher from Turku School of Economics in Finland. I'm studying commercialization of biotechnology innovations and also assessing the role of innovation systems in the process. Innovation Systems course is covering different aspects of systemic approach to innovation. And we now start from lecture 1, where we will be dealing with innovations in general, different characteristics of innovations, different definitions of innovations as well. And from that we then continue to the systemic approach of innovations. The purpose of the course is to learn about innovations in general and also about innovation systems in general. We learn about the different definitions, different contexts that are used in relation to innovations, innovation processes, innovative operations and innovation systems. We also learn how to assess the usefulness of the system context in innovative operations. Why is it that we use the innovation system context, and when is it proper to use this context in relation to innovative operations? We also learn to evaluate the performance of countries and their innovation systems. We compare different countries and their innovative operations. We learn about their different characteristics and reasons why their innovation systems are working or not working properly in those countries. Then we also learn to identify various innovation system characteristics, different actors in the systems, different characteristics and capabilities within the systems. And we also compare different innovation systems and also learn to understand the importance of the system for certain industries.